Hey guys, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and today what I'm doing is I am repairing the rear portal axle from my Gen 8. Got a comp we're going to tomorrow, and I wasn't sure if the parts were going to come in time, so what I did was on my Gen 8 pack I went ahead and took the rear and front axle from it, repacked them with grease, made them all perfect, put them under my Gen 8, took those axles out, and I will be installing those axles. And what I'm talking about repair is, this is what I'm talking about. So apparently you can see where it got ripped out of here. So what happened was, I haven't had a problem with this truck whatsoever until I put this Axe, Hobbywing Axe brushless motor, 2300 kV, and so what ended up happening is I ended up breaking the portal axle. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be replacing this housing. So what I have to do now is I'm going to have to take all this stuff completely off of this and remove this portal, and this is the axle already from the other side, and put it all back together. So that's what we're doing now, so stand by. So now this video shouldn't take that long, just because it's already been taken off the truck. So first thing we're going to have to do is remove the drive shaft. Okay, there's the grub screw. Let's take the drive shaft off. So now we got to remove the 6 screws here using our 1.5mm. Okay. Ooh, yummy. Next we got to use our 2mm. Oh no, I guess we're still back on the 1.5. I'm going to take these screws here off here. Okay, so just pull this out. And remove this gear and the axle shaft. And inside there should be where the screws are. Okay. And okay. Part's done. Okay, knock out the inner bearing and the outer bearing. Put the inner bearing in. Use the drive shaft. Help push it in place. Clean this off. And let's open up the marine grease a little bit here. Get a little grease in that. Drop it in. Okay. Whoops. Alright, so we got that side completed together, and just cleaning out this def cover, and we won't put that cover on yet. We need to take apart the broken. So what we got to do is remove all the 6 screws here, as we did on the original, on the other one, not the original, the other one. So we got to take all these out. Okay, we got this thing apart, and so now the fun part begins. Pop the bearing out and see what we can do with these screws that are in here. Hopefully they're not bent up too bad. Okay, so we can push this piece of axle out. And that's where it broke off. Sheared it off right there. So hopefully this will do the trick. Okay, an axle, smear a little smidgen on there of grease. Why this is being like that. I'll just do it this way. I don't think I got it. Okay guys, putting the Gen 8 pack back together. This is the one that I ended up taking the axles and put under my other Gen 8 that I'm going to run at the comp. So we got this put back together. This is the front axle, which I didn't do anything to other than just, you know, greased it up and whatever. So this is the back axle right here. This is the back axle installed, good, clean, ready to go. And just so you know, the portal center gearbox housing, plastic one, is that one. So just make sure, if you do break yours, make sure the axle's not bent. Make sure you have screws, because these got bent. And the portal parts too. If it broke completely, you might want to get replacements. So, but this is for the center housing. Luckily, my stuff didn't break off. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, have fun with RCs.